Welcome to Phillip Highlights. I'm Summer, and I'm serving you the latest news of the week. Your news, our business. Shares of several US and regional lenders have fallen after the collapse of First Republic Bank, the third major casualty of the biggest crisis to hit the banking sector in the US since 2008. Nevertheless, we believe acquisition of the bank by JP Morgan Chase & Co. would have a reassuring effect on the markets. JP Morgan will take over First Republic's asset, including about $173 billion of loans and $30 billion of securities, as well as $92 billion in deposit. JP Morgan expects to recognize a one-time gain of $2.6 billion tied to the transaction. Saudi Aramco is now the world's second largest company in terms of value, overtaking Microsoft and behind Apple, according to Middle East Monitor. The company has been valued at $2.11 trillion. Similarly, Aramco is the most profitable company in the world. Its profits for the year 2022 of $161 billion exceeded the profit of Apple, Microsoft, and ExxonMobil combined, according to the ranking on the company's market cap website. China's tourism and consumer activities rose sharply on the first day of the 5-day Labor Day holiday, as residents rushed to travel and spend after 3 years of COVID restriction finally ended. Some 19.7 million railway trips were made across the country on Saturday, the highest on record for a single day. The railway operator expects traffic to rise to a record 120 million passengers for the extended holiday periods, up 20% from the same period in 2019 before the pandemic struck. We believe this should bode well with the country's domestic consumption growth, further supporting the official's 5% GDP targets. The Ministry of Human Resources will be looking into a new method to implement the minimum wage to ensure the welfare of all workers in the country is protected, said its Minister Sivakumar. In describing the monthly minimum wage of 1,500 ringgit as relatively low, he said employers must ensure the wages of employees match their skills and knowledge. The initiative is aligned with the objectives of 12 Malaysia Plan, which aim to elevate Malaysia to a high-income country and improve the overall standard of living by 2025. And we commend it for doing so. While this year is expected to be more favorable for investment than the previous year, it's important to stay watchful for any market volatility. PhillipCapital Malaysia provides a comprehensive list of products, including discretionary private managed accounts and unit trusts that are offered to retail investors, high net worth individuals, corporations, and institutions. Whether you want to DIY, seek for advice, or let the expertise fully handle your portfolio, our platform can cater to your needs and preferred way to achieve your financial goals. That's all for today. Stay tuned for the next Phillip Highlights. This update is brought to you by PhillipCapital, your partner in finance.